shot that? It was me with me and you, Nerf gun. I only got one though. Only got one. Tomorrow we're gonna buy another one. Gigantic. The box is the size of the house. Wait, Nerf gun is gonna be the size of me. Yeah. So this came with 3 bullets, and the instructions said that do not aim at the face, just like that. Do not aim at the eyes because they're the most important. And what you do is you pull this thing and you shoot just like this. And you want to shoot it. You just hit the cameraman in the face. Kids, look at this. When you like pull and let go, it shoots out. So that's a shorter way to shoot it. Let me just get the bullet. There it is. And we're back to action. Let's target the plant. I'm gonna go to a far distance. Shoot. You got it. Didn't do any damage to the plant. It's most painful when you shoot at yourself. Ow! Hurts a little bit. Target the leaves. If I can do this, hit the like button. Yes, I did it. Let's get the pot. Let's go here. I'm gonna be making some videos of sneaking. I'm gonna sneak and shoot. Every day, we're gonna look for the hidden bullets every day. Start now, we're gonna look for the hidden bullets. Let's go up, over there outside and let's shoot some plants. Doesn't do any damage to plants. Shoot the pot. Ooh. Let's go. Kids, let's go outside.